Hey, we're off on our ride around the bay. It's going to be circumnavigate the bay with 3 bridges with my brother. On the bike path underneath the BART tracks, heading down to the Bay Trail. That's Alcatraz, San Francisco shrouded in fog. The entrance to the Bay Trail. Golden Gate Fields. Albany Waterfront Trail. That's Alcatraz in the sunshine. Just across from Aquatic Park in Berkeley. There's our view of the bridge. And some mudflat art. Coming into Emeryville. That's my brother. We're on the bike path under the maze. I guess you call this a mousetrap. Where 580, 80, all come together. Bay Bridge. Coming up on the toll plaza. The approach to the Bay Bridge. We're about to start the climb on the Bay Bridge. Yerba Buena Island. Here we are at the fancy part of the bridge, and it's raining. Who ordered that?
I need fenders.
You were right about the rain. From the top of Yerba Buena Island. While we don't have time today, there's an interesting sculpture up at the top. We're a little early for our ferry, so we're going to do a tour of the island. Yerba Buena Island from Treasure Island. The old hangar from World War II. Treasure Island Ferry, waiting to take us to the ferry building in San Francisco. Coit Tower. Coming to the Marina Green. the so-called Marina Green.
I came over here maybe 8 months ago or so when they were racing the AC-75s.
Yeah.
Boy, those are impressive boats.
How you can go 50 miles an hour with a 20-mile-an-hour wind, you go, what?
And they made them better, too.
Yeah. First view of the bridge, Golden Gate, Marin, the headlands at Chrissy Field. Oh, there's that fancy new tunnel.
Yeah, they spent a bunch of money doing this thing here. Park on top of it.
Angel Island, Alcatraz. On the Golden Gate Bridge. Center span on the Golden Gate Bridge. Riding with my brother. We made it all the way across. We made it.
That's us.
The Lone Sailor, a tribute to those who sailed out the Golden Gate in service to the country. The Trident. Boy, we used to go there for dinner. Long time ago. Beautiful Sausalito. It's like a de Havilland otter or beaver. The seaplane. Oh, there's another one, the white one too. Part of the Bay Trail, we're heading to Tiburon. Mount Tamalpais. I guess Strawberry Fields, they call it. Belvedere Drive in the city of Belvedere. See the Bay Bridge, the towers of the Golden Gate Bridge. That's Belvedere Island. This is the old rail trail into Tiburon. Coming into the town of Tiburon. I think that's Spanish for shark. Leaving Tiburon. View from Tiburon. Angel Island. Coming down Paradise Road. Lovely day in Marin County. Yeah, the big house. Q. Not sure where we are, but it sure is beautiful. Like San Rafael somewhere. Estuary. The Larkspur Ferry. Coming up to the big house, San Quinten. Leaving the big house, San Quinten, heading home. Be good. I don't want to go visit you. And now we hope for a tailwind over the bridge. You've seen that before. And there's the bridge. Water skiers?
I wonder.
And we're back on the Bay Trail. 104.2 kilometers at this point. Got a few more to go home. It's been a good ride. Couple of coffee stops. Couple of stops. Ferry ride. Got everything in this.